In this lecture, we will do a deep dive into the tree map. If you need my help to show you how to sort all the symptoms, I will show you a solution, but as usual, make sure you will understand perfectly all my code and do it inside your project. Let's jump into it. I'm doing a new method called compute on compute data class. It has only one parameter, which is our list of unsorted symptoms. It's a list of string, but we could write also an array list of string. The return type will be a tree map of string for the key and integer for the values. You might notice now we can write int like we did in a primitive with a primitive type int, all lowercase letters, or with the first letter which is capitalized. And in this case, you know now it is an object. So the integer with the I capitalized means this is the wrapper, we call the wrapper, the object, and inside it you will find plenty of interesting method. Anyway, I'm doing an instance of an object of type treemap, and I'm setting my generic type with a string. This means my key will be with a string type. My keys, all my keys inside it. And the values will be integers, objects. I'm calling it result, and I'm calling the constructor. I'm starting a for each loop to loop through my list of unsorted symptoms. Each turn, I'm going to get a symptom, which is a string. I'm entering an if, and my condition is if result.contains key is inside treemap. So it's a method, and they say returns true if this map contains a mapping for the specified key. This means I'm going to provide here on the parameter a key, and if there is a key that matches, I will have true. All right? I assume if contains key doesn't find any key inside our tree map, it will return false. So I'm entering the first symptom, which is tremor, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, tremor. So let me show you something. I did a small tree map to show you what's going to happen. Imagine it is empty for now, only with the key. So set it on strings, key column, which is empty, and the values, which is empty also. I'm using contains key. Contains key will return false in this case, because contains key will not find anything with the key tremor inside our array. So this condition will return false. So we will jump directly to the else. At the else block of code, we are doing result, which is still our tree map, and inside we have, of course, a method called put, associate the specified value with the specified key in this map. If the map previously contained a mapping for the key, the old value is replaced. This is really important. So in other words, I'm adding a value inside my tree map with the key. So on the left part of the expression, this is the key. So in this case, this is a symptom. This is tremor. And on the right part, on the second parameter of put, I'm writing the key, the value, sorry. So one more time, the key on the left and the value on the right. So after this line 47, I will have inside my tree map this first line, tremor, as a key, which is a string, and a value, which is an integer with 1. I will keep looping through my collections of unsorted symptoms, and I will jump to the next symptom, and probably will append also on my tree map because dry mouse, okay, is not in my tree map yet. All right. And now I want you to imagine at a point we will find one more time tremor. So the next time we are going to hit tremor, let me look for it. Line 27, I believe this is the first time. We are going to do this condition one more time. And result.contains_key tremor will return true this time because, as you remember, contains key will return true if this key is already inside my tree map. So it will return true. So I will jump for the first time inside my code block with my if, and I will do result.get, let me check what does get do, return the value to which the specified key is mapped. So this means this will return us the value that is mapped for the key tremor, right? So in this case, it will be 1. So this expression will return us 1. I'm adding 1 because if I'm in this case, I'm in this block of code, my condition was true. Obviously, I already had it, so I can safely add 1 to the value. This means tremor is found for the second time. So I will be 2. And I'm rewriting the value of my first line with a put. The key is tremor, and the second parameter is the new value of it, so it's 2. And each time, you guessed it, I'm going to find a key that exists already. I'm going to increase the value. At the end, I will have all my symptoms naturally sorted on an alphabetically sort, and at the same time I will have all the values, so each time we found the symptoms, and I will return it in my return. I hope this is clear, and I will catch you in the next lecture.